This video will explore the complexities and strategies for navigating the I-751 process, especially when a relationship change occurs. We will break down the I-751 process, covering what happens with conditional green cards, the need for joint filing, the implications of separation or divorce, and important recommendations. Additionally, we will discuss the available waivers and their criteria, the necessary evidence, the significance of interviews, the importance of legal counsel, the impact of divorce, and, finally, the timeline and geographical elements affecting application processing. A conditional green card is issued when a green card is obtained through marriage, and it is valid for only 2 years. Before it expires, both partners need to file Form I-751 together to remove these conditions, essentially demonstrating that the marriage is genuine. This joint filing showcases the good faith intention of your marriage. For joint filing, if you're still legally married, you might proceed with this, provided you can convince the USCIS of your marriage's genuine nature. Conversely, if your relationship has ended, you should consider a waiver. These waivers can be granted under conditions of good faith, marriage, abuse, or instances of extreme hardship. If you opt to file jointly, gather every piece of evidence that shows the legitimacy of your marriage. This includes documents like lease agreements, shared bank statements, photos, and any communication logs. However, if you decide to apply for a waiver, you should collect evidence pertinent to your situation. For instance, for abuse waivers, provide police reports or evidence from medical professionals. During the I-751 process, an interview is often a part of the application review. Applicants must be prepared for this step. For joint filing cases, both spouses might be interviewed together. On the other hand, if applying for a waiver, the applicant will be interviewed solo. The primary goal of these interviews is to substantiate the legitimacy of your claims and establish trustworthiness. Consulting with an immigration attorney is imperative throughout the I-751 process. They are equipped to evaluate specific situations, guide whether to pursue joint filing or a waiver, and ensure thorough application preparation and submission, thus increasing the chances of success. While divorce certainly introduces challenges to the I-751 process, it doesn't automatically lead to deportation. If you can prove your eligibility for a waiver by meeting the required conditions, you may still proceed with your immigration journey successfully. The processing times for the I-751 application vary based on several factors, primarily related to the applicant's location. Processing centers in different regions can have varying timelines, impacting how quickly an application is processed. Always refer to the USCIS website for the most current information. Key considerations and recommendations highlight the importance of understanding a conditional green card. Determine the best course of action, whether it's joint filing or waiver, and gather all necessary documents before any scheduled interview. It's wise to consult an attorney for customized guidance. What's required to remove conditions on a conditional green card obtained through marriage? Option A, filing Form I-130. Option B, filing Form I-751 jointly with spouse. Option C, proof of extreme hardship. Or Option D, USCIS interview? You may pause the video now to think about your answer. We will discuss the answer in the next section. The answer is B, filing Form I-751 jointly with your spouse. This is the required step to remove conditions from a conditional green card obtained through marriage. Various waivers can be explored if joint filing is not feasible. It's important to note that this information is intended primarily for educational purposes and should not be considered as legal advice. For guidance specifically tailored to individual cases, consulting an immigration attorney is advisable. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. We hope you found the information valuable. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. We would love to hear from you.